Okay, for purposes of a test, I'm going to take the very last part of this problem and solve for the value that of the variable we were looking for. We were looking for the maximum height that this block rises as it moves from the smooth frictionless surface up this ramp at 30 degrees on a surface with a friction of 0.2, coefficient of friction of 0.2. How high does it rise vertically? So that's Y max. Y max in symbolic form has been solved for right here. I'll go ahead and write Y max here. And I'll include, okay, this is V initial squared. So V initial was 5 meters per second. So 5 meters per second squared would be 25 meters squared per second squared. Then we divide that by 2 times G times this quantity. So 2G would be 20 meters per second squared. And then this quantity 1 plus mu, which is the coefficient of friction that was 0.2, times cosine 30 sine 30. Cosine 30 is 0.866. Sine 30 is 0.5. Everything in the parentheses here, 1 plus 0.2 times 0.866 times 0.5, that's 0.0866. 1 plus 0.0866. 25 meters squared per second squared divided by 20 meters per second squared would be 1.25 meters. Divide that by 1.08, say 7. So Y max will be equal to 1.25 divided by 1.08, which is going to be about 1.17 meters. So that's how high this block should rise vertically up this surface with a friction on it at this angle of 30 degrees. That's the problem. This is a demo. I'm going to close this out now.